Welcome back to this channel for solutions of actuarial exam problems, practice problems. Here is information about who I am. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can just call me Chris unless you speak Polish. And you can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. And you have links here to various resources that I provide for preparation for actuarial exams and the actuarial program at Illinois State University, where you can make tax-deductible donations at smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's the problem for exam FM. You are the investment actuary for the Virtuous Life Insurance Company, VLICO, that specializes in guaranteed investment contracts. A pension plan, which is a customer of your company, deposits $1 million with you in a contract that guarantees 5% per annum for the next 2 years. A provision of the contract allows the pension plan to withdraw half of the account balance at the end of the first year and the rest at the end of 2 years, and the customer has indicated to VLICO that they will exercise this option. You have 2 assets available for your company's investments: a 1-year risk-free zero-coupon bond yielding 5.5% per annum and a 2-year zero-coupon bond yielding 6% per annum. Your company is considering 2 possible investment strategies: cash flow matching, also known as absolute matching or dedication, in which the asset cash flows will match the cash flows required for the liabilities exactly, or placing the entire investment portfolio in the 2-year zero-coupon bond. The strategy does not produce a cash flow in 1 year, and in order to discharge any liabilities cash flows due at that time, VLICO will sell an appropriate amount of their 2-year bond, which by then will become a 1-year bond, to pay the amount due. Assuming that the 1-year spot rate in 1 year from now will not necessarily be equal to the current forward rate from time 1 to time 2 years, and assuming that VLICO will sell an appropriate asset amount to fund any liability cash flow at time 1, find that spot rate 1 year from now that makes the 2 strategies equally profitable to VLICO. So let's look at the solution and think about this. The account balance will be $1,050,000 at the end of year 1. Of that, $525,000 will be withdrawn by the pension plan, and $525,000 will remain, again earning 5%, to accumulate to $551,250 at the end of year 2. Using the first investment strategy, VLICO will buy the present value of $525,000 at 5.5%, or $497,630.33 of the 1-year zero-coupon bond, and what they need to pay, the amount in 2 years, so the present value at 6% of $551,250, which will be $490,610.54 in the 2-year zero-coupon bond. Total expenditure by VLICO for the purchase of the 2 zero-coupon bonds is $988,240.87, the sum of the 2. And VLICO's profit is, in terms of present value at time 0, is the difference between the $1 million they receive and how much they spend on this strategy. If VLICO uses the second investment strategy, it will spend $1 million on a 2-year zero-coupon bond with a 2-year yield to maturity of 6%, so that its entire holding of that bond would mature with a value of a cumulative value of $1 million at 6% of 2 years, $1,123,600 if held to maturity. A year from now, VLICO will have liabilities cash flow of $525,000 to pay, and will have to sell a portion of its bond to meet it. If the 1-year spot rate a year from now is X, then the value of that bond a year from now will be, well, the present value of the terminal cash flow at that interest rate X, and 525,000 of it must be sold to meet the liability, leaving only the difference of the two. This will accumulate at X, and it will be worth 1,123,600 minus 525,000 times 1 plus X. Of that amount, 521,250 must be paid to the liability cash flow, and the rest is the profit. The present value of the profit, though, has to be calculated because we calculate the present value for the other strategy. And so we discounted at 6%, which is the current 2-year spot rate, to discount the cash flow at time 2. And this is supposed to be equal to the profit that we calculated for the first strategy. So we set this equal to the other amount. This is now an equation with only one unknown X, and we solve it. And X comes out to be about 6.5%. That is answer C. Please remember that this is copyrighted material. Good luck in your studies and good luck on your test.